Up next on HobbyLink International, October's monthly giveaway. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from HobbyLinkInternational.com, and today we're going to talk about the October giveaway. That's right, we just got off the live stream and we're here already talking about the next giveaway. We said that we want to change things up a bit because we've catered to sci-fi and fantasy for so long, and now that we're all underneath the HobbyLink International umbrella, we're going to start spreading it out to more military, planes, cars, sci-fi. It'll still all be in there, but now everybody's going to get a shot at winning something they like. So we said it's going to be cars, automotive, and I was thinking of what to get, and I showed you on the stream what I was thinking of getting. And of course, our buddy Omar Baez texted me and then called me, and he's nice enough that he is going to sponsor the October giveaway. And we're going to be giving away 3 items, and here they are. One is going to be the AMT 1965 1/16 scale Mustang. One is going to be the 1/25th scale Super Chief from Polar Lights. And the last one is going to be a 1/25th scale Revell Peterbilt Model 359 conventional tractor. So I'm pretty excited about October's giveaway. I hope you guys are too. Don't forget, you're going to have to stop by those live streams on Wednesdays and Saturdays to gain space loot. For every 15 minutes you watch, you gain 5 space loot, and you're going to need 10 space loot to buy at least 1 raffle ticket for your shot to win. If you have any questions or comments about that, throw it in the comment section below and I will get back to you. And in the description below, you'll find a link to the article that'll show you the pictures of the kits that you're going to be vying for. 3 people will win, and also the rules how to be in on this contest. So again, I had a great time tonight. Also, thank you very much to everybody that's hit that join button, has become an official HLI YouTube member. We thank you very much for your donations. It helps keep this channel up, and it helps keep everything we do with the sites up and all that other good stuff. If you haven't yet and you'd like to, hit that join button and pick a tier. We'd love to have you on board. So I shall see you all again on Wednesday night and sometime during the week for some more reviews. Again, I hope you all stay safe, take care of yourselves, and talk to you soon. Take care, and bye-bye.